Hello everyone. So if you want to install APK files on your Samsung phone easily, here's how to do that. So first of all, we are to open up our settings, of course. Now let's scroll down to our security and privacy tab. Let's open it up. And here we gotta locate our more security settings. So choose it. Now we gotta locate our install unknown app section. And here we gotta give this permission to all of the apps which are gonna be included into this kind of operation. So in my case, it's Google Chrome. It should be your browser and your file system. So for me, it's My Files or Files by Google if you're using it. So simply tap on the switch and it's gonna be activated. Now let's talk about the APKs themselves, because APKs are usually files from third-party apps, so you have to be really carefully with the source and make sure that you're trusting the source, because otherwise it may be kind of risky, because APKs may contain malware, viruses, and so on and so forth. You don't want to lose your personal info, so use trusted sources. I'm going to be using APK Mirror. It's an old trusted website with a lot of different cool APKs and bundles. However, today we're not talking about bundles, we're talking only about the APKs. So open up your APK Mirror and you can look for something specifically, right? Or you can just simply go through the list of latest uploads. Maybe you will like something what you see there. For example, I want to install this game. You may see some advertisement. This is a free website, so keep that in mind. Don't be too exaggerated by it. Give it some time to verify that you're a human. It's fine. Now let's locate our APK. There it is. Let's install it. All right, it's getting downloaded. Press download anyway. And now let's press open. After that, simply press install. As you see, it's getting installed. Give it some time to be installed. And app is installed. You can press open and you can use it as you use any other things. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.